We just had a 5.1 just a little while ago, just south of where we had a 7.2 earthquake on Easter Sunday, April 4, 2010. Right now it's February 18. There you have it, some data on it. This whole area right here is an active rifting zone. It's the Salton Trough Rift, or it's actually an extension of the Gulf of California, which is home to the Mid-Oceanic Ridge, which goes for thousands of miles. So let's take a look. Let's see. Now I'm zooming in on where this earthquake happened. It's in the Mexicali, Gulf of California Delta region, which is dried up farmland. A lot of that farmland's been drying up because the 7.2 earthquake damaged irrigation. Also, sometimes it just dries up because the water table lowers. So anyways, we just had an earthquake. And this is my assistant seismologist. There he is. I'll give you a name, but he's my assistant seismologist. Here's a map of how many people felt the quake. A lot of people in San Diego County, which is right here, feel these Mexicali quakes. And I just felt a slight little rocking, and my bird made a lot of noise, and the neighborhood birds did. I don't know if you can see this in this shot or not, but we have a crooked mirror. That happens all the time. And there it is right now. A crooked picture. And there's a storm blowing in at the same time. Things are rocking and rolling down there, indeed.